Maybe we could have been something to blossom, but the fruit fell from the tree and it went water. And I wonder if you still think of me. I'm not forgotten. It's such a loss, such a shame. I loved you to death. Can we be saved? I won't hold my breath. Hold my breath. It's such a loss, such a shame.